Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're diving into the world of cryptocurrency in 2025, you're probably already aware of the importance of security. Today, I'm excited to walk you through a step-by-step guide on how to transfer your Ethereum from Binance to a Trezor hardware wallet. This process is straightforward, but always remember, we're dealing with real money, so double-check everything to keep your assets safe. First things first, before we get started, make sure you have a few things ready. You'll need a Binance account with some Ethereum in it, your Trezor device set up and connected to your computer, and the Trezor Suite app installed. Oh, and don't forget to enable two-factor authentication on both platforms for extra security. That's non-negotiable in 2025's crypto landscape. Alright, let's jump in. Step 1. Log into your Binance account and head over to the Wallet section. Find your Ethereum balance and click on Withdraw. This will open up a form where you'll enter the withdrawal details. Step 2. Now, switch to your Trezor device. Open the Trezor Suite app, select your Ethereum wallet, and generate or view your wallet address. It's usually a long string of letters and numbers. Copy this carefully to avoid any mistakes. Pro tip. Always verify the address on your Trezor screen itself to prevent phishing attacks. Step 3. Back on Binance. Paste the Trezor wallet address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of Ethereum you want to transfer, but be mindful of the network fees, they can add up. Select the Ethereum network, ERC20, and hit Confirm. You'll likely need to approve this through 2FA. Step 4. Once confirmed, Binance will process the withdrawal. This usually takes a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Keep an eye on your Trezor Suite app or use a blockchain explorer like Etherscan to track the transaction. Finally, once it shows up in your Trezor wallet, celebrate a job well done. You've just moved your ETH to a more secure offline storage. Remember, always prioritize security over convenience in crypto. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more 2025 crypto tips. Thanks for watching and stay safe out there.